Ooh. In this video, I'm going to be trying a 7-day affiliate marketing challenge. I first came across affiliate marketing a few years ago when I was online looking for different ways to make money. For those of you guys that have no idea what affiliate marketing is when you get paid a commission to promote somebody else's business or service. In this 7-day challenge, I'm going to be using Impact and ClickBank for my 2 marketplaces. Signing up for ClickBank is super easy. Just head over to clickbank.com and just click start here. For Impact, you would just go to impact.com, select request a demo, then you come to sign up as a partner. For Impact, they are going to ask you to enter some social media platforms. Once you have signed up for ClickBank, it's time to find the right affiliate program for you. Go to ClickBank and you'll come to affiliate marketplace, and this is where you'll come to find the different programs they have available. On ClickBank, I'm going to be advertising a product in the health and fitness industry. The product I chose was this product here, and the reason why I chose this product is because it's ranked the highest and the gravity score is the highest. The higher the gravity score is, that means that there are more affiliates making sales on this product. Before you select your product, think about different ways to advertise it, because the hard part about affiliate marketing is going to be advertising and marketing. When I was first introduced to ClickBank, I had no idea of how to market or what marketing really is. But over the years, I've been fortunate to run a few online business, which I was able to learn how to run ads, how to market, how to go viral on social media. And that's why I really decided to give this challenge another chance, because I feel like now I have a better understanding of how to market. And also, there are new platforms available. Back then, there weren't no TikTok. But now there's platforms like TikTok where you're able to be seen by millions of people, 100,000 of people within a couple of hours. The plan is to really use TikTok and go viral. And also, we have Instagram Reels. If we're able to go viral on Instagram and TikTok, we might be able to bring in some sales. All you need to do is click promote, enter your nickname on your ClickBank account. You click create hop link, it's going to give you your URL. For ClickBank, I'm just going to focus on promoting one product because it is my first time. I know there are people that promote multiple products at a time, but I just want to get my feet wet to see the process first, and then once I get more experience, I'll be able to increase that workload. So now that we're done with ClickBank, let's go on to Impact. Earlier today, I did apply for Shopify Partners Program. The reason why I chose that program to work with is because I have experience with Shopify. I had a few online stores in the past, so I know that Shopify is a great product. And on Impact, to find the affiliate marketplace, you would basically come to brands and click find brand. Let's click all brands. Here, you're able to see all the brands that's available. You can come over to category to just filter it down and break it down. Just come browsing through the different categories they have and see what's the best fit for you. If you already have an Instagram page, whatever your niche is, that's what you want to do. The plan is to advertise one product on TikTok and another product on Instagram. Here's the company that I will be promoting. When it's your first time on here, you're going to apply for this company, but I already applied for Shopify. Now that I've got approved for Shopify, I would just come back to the home page and promote any brand with a simple link. You'll just click the brand you want to promote and click create link. I'm going to paste the Shopify referral link into my Instagram page bio. This is my Instagram page. So this is the Unlimited Hustle page that I use for my YouTube channel. I just post Instagram Reels just for motivation. I have gone viral on this page before. The plan is to post 3 to 4 videos a day on Instagram. On TikTok, I already have it set up. So this is my old TikTok page that I was using for other business, but I'm no longer pursuing that business. Over that time, I was able to get 8,000 followers. Basically, the type of content I'm going to be posting on this page is content surrounding weight loss transformation. So this is day 1 of the challenge. Let the challenge begin. Every day, I want to check in with you guys and show my progress. So day 1 is just to set up, creating the ClickBank, creating the Impact account, find the 2 products that I want to promote. I'm going to be posting 3 to 4 times a day, hoping to go viral. I feel like that will bring more people to visit the account. Hopefully they'll see my bio or description and they'll be able to click that link and sign up. Day 1, I don't really expect much, and I'll check back in tomorrow. It is day 2 of my 7-day affiliate marketing challenge. So far, it's not looking good. Day 1, I posted 3 to 5 videos on my TikTok. and I posted 5 reels on my Instagram. On Instagram, I posted 5 reels, and one got 41 views, the other one got 29, one got 54, one got 35, and one got 28. No traction, nothing. On TikTok, I don't have any type of motion as well. One got 35 views, one got 0 views, one got 45, one got 70. For day 2, I'm about to start posting some new content today. Hopefully, I could build some traction up, but so far it's not looking good. On TikTok, I'm going to try to switch things up a bit. I'm going to go through the hashtags and see which videos are trendy and try to replicate that. That's it for today. I'm going to check back in tomorrow for day 3. Hopefully overnight I get something going. What's going on, YouTube? So it's officially day 3 of my 7-day affiliate marketing challenge, and so far it's not looking good. Yesterday I posted 3 new videos on my Instagram, and I posted like 3 or 4 videos on TikTok. None of them got any traction. The most views I got on TikTok was like 240. And on Instagram, it's like 40 views or 30 views. I'm losing hope right now because they made it seem like it was this easy thing where all I have to do is post some videos and instantly I'll be getting paid. I'm about to post 3 new videos on Instagram and then probably 3 or 4 on TikTok. I'm about to check back in tomorrow for day 4. Peace. So it's officially day 4 of my 7-day affiliate marketing challenge, and it's not looking good. Pretty much the same results from yesterday. I got no clicks. My videos on TikTok are getting better. So one of my videos got 1,300 views. Posting better content does help me get like more views, but I'm not so sure they're clicking on my page, and they're definitely not placing any order. I gained about 5 new followers. On Instagram, pretty much the same thing from yesterday. 50 views, 1 or 2 follows, and that's it. I'm gonna check back in tomorrow for day 5. I'm gonna post like 3 or 4 videos tonight on both platforms, and hopefully those get going. It's officially day 5 of my 7-day affiliate marketing challenge, and I just had my first $100 day. See what happened when you stay consistent? Nah, I'm just playing. It's April Fool's. I actually made no money today. Same thing as these previous days. I'm trying to post consistently on TikTok and Instagram, and things just haven't been popping off of me. My views are still low. I tried posting better TikTok videos, but that didn't really seem to help, and none of my videos aren't really going viral. I think I have 2 more days left for this challenge. Hopefully, it get better, but so far it's not looking too good. I'm gonna come back in tomorrow for day 6. Hopefully, we got some better results. What's going on, YouTube? So it's officially day 7 of my 7-day affiliate marketing challenge. From those 7 days, I made $0 in commission. I was definitely expecting to make some money. I decided not to film day 6 because I didn't have any update for you guys. Things were pretty much the same as the previous days. Over those 7 days, I consistently post on TikTok and Instagram. I definitely do believe affiliate marketing works, but I feel like you have to have some sort of a platform. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you don't have no type of audience, no type of following, then I feel like affiliate marketing will be a challenge for you. I don't really have much following on social media or an audience, so I feel like that's why I was struggling. On TikTok, it's not as easy to go viral as people say. I feel like another reason why I was struggling on TikTok is because I didn't have that original content that I needed. I was looking online for videos that would promote, weight loss or transformation, and I would repurpose those videos on TikTok. That definitely didn't work. Make sure you're promoting a product where you're able to create good content around. I definitely plan on doing this challenge again. With the weight loss supplement I was marketing, it's kind of hard for me to really promote that because I don't have the physical product. On Instagram, I was just posting motivational quotes. I did have one of those videos go viral in the past. I think it got over 400,000 views. So, I was expecting really to have that same results, but it didn't work out like that. I don't think Instagram is pushing reels as much anymore. That's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video to be somewhat informal. If you guys are interested in doing affiliate marketing, maybe you learn a thing or two. Are you guys having the same issues that I'm having with affiliate marketing?